Yesterday, you have seen result set enhancements. Result set enhancements, how many categories divided? Two categories. First category, result set types. Second category, concurrency types. Two categories divided. How many types of result set is there? Three. First one, type forward only. Second one, type scrolls insensitive. Third one, type scrolls sensitive. What is the difference between insensitive and sensitive? Insensitive will not show changes made by others in DDBMS, Distributed Database Management System. Sensitive, it will show changes made by others. Okay. By using result set enhancements feature, what are the operations we can perform? Moving a cursor in a scrollable result set. First this one. Second one, updating records. Updating records with methods. Third one, inserting records with methods. Fourth one, deleting records with methods. See, four operations we can perform. Moving a cursor in a scrollable result set, anywhere to anywhere you can move, and updating records with Java methods only, inserting record with Java methods only, deleting records with Java methods only. These are all possible with Java methods only. Updating, inserting, deleting. These three operations with the Java methods only possible. Okay. Now, moving a cursor purpose, I given methods yesterday. Those methods, how to use, I'll explain. See, I'll open Eclipse. You have seen, for getting result set, which method we call? For getting result set, which method we call? Execute query. Execute query method you call. But for calling execute query, either statement or prepared statement or callable statement, any one statement record. For getting statement, what we written? What we written? Connection reference dot create statement. Next we call result set rs equal to stmt dot execute query. So after getting statement, if we call execute query method, you are getting result set. Okay. Suppose if it is prepared statement, what we written? Prepared statement pstmt equal to connection reference dot prepare statement. Here we prepared one statement. Here something will write. Select star from student where roll number equal to question mark. Like this query. Like this query be written. Okay. Now, like this we written one query. After that, result set rs equal to prepared statement dot execute query. Here with setter methods we settled question marks values. Okay. You observe, you are writing statement means you are writing like this. Okay. Statement interface you are writing like this. Prepared statement, here you are setting. Set string, set integer, roll number, suppose one column, suppose roll number 1 and 1. This one nothing but question mark number. This one nothing but roll number. See, now statement interface we written like this. Statement interface we written like this. In a prepared statement interface we written like this. But at last you are getting result set here also, here also. This result set, which type result set? type forward only. By default, type forward only. Okay. So whatever you studied already, this type of programs completed. Okay. So these all before festival holidays only completed. Okay. So result set. Here result set. You have seen. This result set also type forward only. This result set also type forward only. If we create like this result set, these are type forward only. Type forward only, will it support absolute position, relative position? No. Absolute relative not possible. Okay. For that, how to use result set, type scroll sensitive or insensitive, how to use, I'll show you. Java.sql.connection. In a connection interface, 3 methods you have seen. What are the methods? Create statement, prepare statement, prepare call. Methods. Okay. You have seen 3 methods you have seen in a connection interface. Now, 3 methods you have seen. These 3 methods you have seen. Create statement, prepare call. Okay. You observe. These 3 methods already taught. Create statement, it doesn't take any parameter. Prepare statement, it takes one parameter, that is dynamic SQL query. Prepare call, it takes one parameter, that is PLSQL program. That's what, while creating result set, we did like this. We didn't pass any argument here. Here we passed one dynamic SQL query. This question mark value, we passed later. Then we executed. Then we got a result set. But while using statement, we written query here. Here, no parameter. So this is the difference. This is statement. This is prepared statement. Prepare callable statement also like this only. Like this dynamic type only. So while creating statement, what we did, you observe. While creating statement, we didn't pass any parameter here. In the execute query method, we passed parameter. Okay. While using prepared statement, we passed parameter here only. Query prepared. Later, here execute query, no parameter. Like this you have seen. But now you observe. Here, these methods are 1.0 methods. JDBC 1.0 methods. 1.0 methods, it will take one parameter in a prepare statement, prepare call. You observe. Here one parameter, string. Here one parameter, string. Here no parameters. Here one parameter. Here one parameter. Here why we are not passing parameter is, we are passing in the execute method only, we are passing parameter. But here dynamic SQL query prepared. Here PLSQL program will write. These all 1.0 methods. 2.0 methods later came. You observe. Same method names are there. You observe. Method name same, but parameters different. You observe. Here. Method name same, parameter different. You observe. I'll remove this all. Now, these three you observe. Difference you observe. Here, method name, create statement, no parameters. Here, method name, create statement with 2 parameters. Okay. Prepare statement, 1 parameter string. Here, prepare statement, one parameter string is there, other 2 parameter, 2 integers are there. See. Okay. Prepare call, here 1 parameter. Here, prepare call, 3 parameters. In all the places, 2 integers are additional, no? 2 integers are additional. This is result set type. This is concurrency type. That's what we have additional parameters. Now, These methods you already studied. These methods you are learning now. Now these methods, write it. Because everything with library only we can do. Without library, one program also we cannot write. It is result set type. It is concurrency type. It is concurrency type. Result set type, concurrency type. Everything with library methods only we can do. First integer is result set type. Second integer is concurrency type. If we use result set type, type scroll sensitive, type scroll insensitive, then only these programs you can write. Type forward only if you pass, it is not possible to write programs with this. See, in every method, two parameters are additional. These two parameters are additional in every method. Year 2 integers extra, year 2 integers, year 2 integers. Two integers are additional. Is it over? See, previous create statement doesn't take any parameter, but it takes two parameters. One is result set type, one is concurrency type. Previous prepare statement method takes one parameter, that is string, that is dynamic SQL query. But here two additional parameters, result set type, concurrency type. Previous prepare call doesn't take takes one parameter, that is string. Here we have additional two parameter, result set type, concurrency type. But method names are same, parameter list is different. This concept is called method overloading or overriding. Overloading. Method overloaded. Okay. Now method name same, parameter list is different. It is called overloading. Result set types you studied. Now result set types are I given, those are static. These are already you written notes. Here, 3 types of result set is there. Are these instance variables or class variables or local variable? Class variable because static. Okay, static class variable. How to call? Class nothing but interface here. Result set dot type forward only. Result set dot type scroll insensitive. Result set dot type scroll sensitive. Like that you have to pass. So in the program, what you have to do is here we have to pass result set dot type scroll sensitive. Result set dot type scroll insensitive. Like that you have to pass because those are static. But concurrency type I didn't explain. What is concurrency type? We'll see now. Nodal. There are 2 types of concurrency control on result set. There are 2 types of concurrency control on result set. There are 2 types of concurrency control on result set. First one, second one, these all static members in java.sql.resultSet interface. These all static members in java.sql. So there are 2 types of concurrency control on result set. One is conquer read only, one more conquer updatable. These all static members in java.sql.resultSet interface. What's the difference I'll give? Conquer read only supports only read operation concurrently. Whereas conquer updatable supports all operations concurrently. Conquer read only supports only read operation concurrently, whereas conquer updatable supports all operations concurrently. That means more than one person can update at a time. There are 2 types of concurrency control on result set. Conquer read only, conquer updatable. If you use this one, reading concurrently possible, other operations concurrently not possible. If you use this one, all operations concurrently possible. That means more than one person can update, more than one person can delete, more than one person can insert. Updatable means don't think only modification. Inserting also updation, deleting also updation. How? I'll explain. Conquer read only. If you use this one, more than one person can read at a time, but they cannot update. Conquer updatable. More than one person can read, more than person can update. In a distributed database management system, any number of people at a time can access database. But once if you set conquer read only, reading possible at a time, but other operations not possible at a time. That means only one person can update at a time. But here, n number of people can update at a time. That's the difference. See, suppose example, I'll open SQL prompt. Is it over? Writing is over. See. Now, total 7 records are there. 7 records are there. Okay. Now, in this table, 7 records are there. I'll insert one more record. One more record. That is inserting. But this is also we can call it as update. How? Previously 7 records, now 8 records. It is nothing but updation. Previously 7 records, now 8 records. It is nothing but updation. Okay. Suppose one record I'll delete. Previously 7 records, now 6 records. It is also called updation. Suppose 81 marks modified like a 90. It is also called updation. Update means not only modifying, inserting also updation, deleting also updation, modifying also updation. All are updating only. Okay. So don't think updation means only modification. Inserting one record also updation. Previously 7, now 8. It is updation. Previously say 7, now 6. Deletion. It is updation. Like that. So if you set conquer read only. Suppose if you said conquer read only, more than one person can read, but updation one person only. 2 persons cannot update, but 1 person can update at a time. Okay. But conquer updatable if you said all possible at a time, n number of people. Okay. Now that is we have to pass here as a one parameter. That is we have to pass as a one parameter here. Here result set type you have to pass. Here result set concurrency type you have to pass. Then you'll get a statement. With this statement, it is possible absolute relative. And even other methods, 2.0 methods, before first, after last methods I given yesterday. Those all possible with this statement. But starting previously we used one statement, this type, prepared statement. This is not possible because it is result set type. Which type? Type forward only. Type forward only doesn't support absolute relative these all. Only next method supports. Okay. Now that program we'll see now. How to move the cursor, how to display. Suppose here total 7 records are there. Whenever result set is generated, then result set pointer or cursor points to before first. I want to display 5th record. How to move the cursor to 5th record? Which method we have to call? Now cursor is here. I want to move the cursor to 5th record. What do you write? Absolute 5. Absolute 5 you can call. It moves the cursor to 5th record. Any other option? Now I want to move the cursor to 5th record. One way, absolute 5 you can write, it comes here. Any other option? Absolute -3. -3 also from ending 3rd record comes, no? That is one way. Any other option? Relative 5. Relative 5 also from current position 5th record. That is also works. Next. Relative. Relative minus 3 means exception comes. From current position backward direction. From current position relative. Exception comes. That is not suitable. Next. Any other? Next method 5 times. Next method 5 times you can call no. That is old concept. 1.0 version. Okay. Now best one absolute 5. How to use we'll see now. How to use we'll see. Suppose right click new class. Suppose I'm moving cursor something file in class name move demo I'll write main method. Finish. Here. Here. This is common code. Now first we have to load the driver. What we have to write? Class dot for name. Okay. Class dot for name. What is the driver class? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. This driver class available in OJDBC 6_G, OJDBC 8_G, classes 111, classes 14, and OJDBC 14. Different versions, different jar file is there. Okay, some are OJDBC 6_G is there. Some are OJDBC 8_G is there. OJDBC 14 also is there. Classes 111 is there. Classes 11 is there. Like different jar files are there. Depends upon your version. Okay. That jar file you can add here. You can add here. Already you have seen. Right click, build path, configure build path. Here class path, add external jars. You can select this jar file. You can click on open. It is placed here. Then it works. Okay. Now it is already I placed it. Now then only it will work. Otherwise class not found exception comes. This driver class is not available. That error comes. Okay. Now loading a driver completed. Establishing connection. What we are right? Connection. Connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. How many parameters? 3 parameter. What is the first parameter? URL. What is the URL? JDBC colon Oracle colon 10 colon at localhost 1521 XE. What is JDBC here? In this line, what is JDBC here? Not package. In this line, what is JDBC? JDBC is a specification. JDBC is a package. JDBC is a like that. So many concepts are there. JDBC full form I am not asking. JDBC package I am not asking. In this line, what is JDBC? Protocol. Here also JDBC is there. Here what is JDBC? Package. Here different, there different. But there also JDBC, here also JDBC. Okay. What is JDBC mean? JDBC specification also. Okay. Now concept. Suppose class is there. What is class means? Class is a collection of variables and methods. Class is a keyword also, no? Class is a data type also, no? Reference data type. Like that, so many will be there. In this line, what is JDBC? I'm asking. Protocol. What is Oracle? But Oracle means database also. Here in this line, I'm asking. It is a protocol. It is a sub-protocol. What is thin? Logical name. What is localhost? Domain name. Computer name. What is 1521? Port number. What is XE? Service ID. Okay. After that, username. System. Password manager. In my system, this is there. That is I am writing. In your system, whatever is there, that is right. Okay. Now, establishing connection completed. Next. Now, result set purpose statement required. Statement. How to get statement stmt equal to connection reference dot create statement. This statement, now two parameters required. You observe here. Result set type, concurrency type. That type. This is required for us. Okay. Now result set type, concurrency type. We required. Result set type. Either sensitive or insensitive. Those are static. How to call? Class name. Nothing but interface name. What we have to write? Result set dot type, scroll, sensitive or insensitive. Anyone you can write. After this, result set dot conquer updatable or conquer read only. Now, if you write updatable read only, no difference. It is not distributed database. Okay, no difference. If you write read only also works, updatable also works. No, because it is not distributed database. Distributed database, next topic. Solids. Okay, now result set. What we have tried for getting result set? RS equal to stmt dot execute query. Execute query. Here query we have tried. Select star from student. Okay, select star from student. Now, this is which type of result set? Is it forward only or sensitive or insensitive?
Sensitive.
Already we written sensitive.
Sensitive.
Here just now we written no. This is which type? Type scroll sensitive now. Sensitive result set. After writing this one, result set came. That's what it is, sensitive result set. If you don't write anything, type forward only. Say in previous program, suppose last class you have seen this program. Here result set is there. This is which type result set? It is type forward only. Because by default is type forward only. Type forward only, no need to write. Default is type forward only. So here. Now it is sensitive result set. It is sensitive result set. Okay. Now can I use absolute method for this? Can I use? Yes. I want to display fifth record. We have to move the cursor to fifth record. RS dot absolute 5. Now cursor moved to fifth record. Okay. Fifth record moved. Cursor is here. I want to print this one. I want to print this one. I want to print this one. How to print? What are the methods? Get int, get string, get int. You studied no? Now those all we have tried. Now directly I'll print. RS dot get int. Now column number 1. Can I write roll number? It is also you can write. Either column index you can write, column name you can write. Okay. Next system dot out dot println RS dot get string. Now here name. Now next RS dot get int column number, column name marks. Now it is printed. While printing, I want to give a one space. Print ln means next line printed. Same line if you want to print. After here without gap comes slash t. Here also slash t. Okay, here not required. It's over. Now we have tried try catch blocks. Okay. Now say all classes imported, interfaces imported, like try catch block, everything over. Now we can run this program. Say our program move demo. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. See what we are getting. Roll number 5. Roll number 5, triple E 99. So roll number 5 you are getting. Here, suppose I'll remove here this result set types I'll remove. This is I'll remove. This is I'll remove. Result set type I removed, concurrency type I removed. But this method also is there, no? See, is it showing any error?
No.
No. That means it is compiled successfully. Compiled successfully. But exception comes. It doesn't support. Now, this is which type of result set now? Forward only. Will it support absolute? No. Now, if I run, now compiled successfully. In Eclipse, automatically compiled, no? Now, right click, run as, run Java application, save. See, you are getting exception. See, which exception? SQL exception. Invalid operation on forward only. This is error. Okay. Now, this is moving a cursor in a scrollable result set. This program you can write. Okay, instead of this, 1 minute. Now, these all I'll remove just because time wasted, like only star I'll write. Write this one. Write the program. Result set. Okay, I'll add. Here. Write this down. Not over. Is it over? Here, result set dot type scroll sensitive. Result set dot type scroll insensitive. If you write, then only sensitive, insensitive. If you don't write, that is which type? Type forward only. Okay. Then absolute method doesn't work. Error comes. Runtime error. Successfully compiled. Syntactically correct. Syntactically correct. That's what it will compile. While executing, runtime error exception comes while executing. Okay. Is it over? No. Now we'll see second program updating. Next node. Is it completed all? Next. Updating records with methods. Updating records with methods. Second operation. Updating records with methods. Update methods are there. With that we can update. So first one, moving a cursor in a scrollable result set. Second one, updating records with methods. Here, methods are there. How to update, I'll give. See, many update methods are there. I'll give only 2, 3. See, update null, update boolean, update byte short, like this. Many are there. One is integer, one is float, one is string. These 3 I'll give. Even overloaded methods with column number, column name. Now, these 4 methods enough. Right is all. Here, if you know the Java API, you can write the program. That's it. Not done. So first one write complete, second one onwards write it only parameters, method name. All public only, all abstract only, all throws SQL exception only. The above 3 methods are used to update the result set. It is used to update database, update record in a database. So whatever you are learning, don't forget these all. Again, while teaching Solid's required. While teaching Solid JDBC, I'll mix. I'll combine. Solid JDBC, both I'll combine in a one program. Later JSP also I'll combine. Java Bean also I'll combine. At last MVC topic also is, there I'll club all I'll integrate in a one program. With that integration program only, you can understand frameworks. It is column number. It is value. All public abstract, that is leave it. Just write return type, method name, parameters. All throws SQL exception only. So all public abstract methods only, that is leave it. And throws SQL exception, leave it. Every day that is same. All public abstract, all throws SQL exception. Write return type, method name, parameters. Description. The above three methods are used to update the result set. Result set updated. After that record, if you want to update row you have to call at last. Then only update it. Here, which column you are updating. Based on that column, data type you have to select. Whether integer or float or string or byte, short, many are there. You can select. Column index you have to pass. Here, column value you have to pass. What you are going to update, that is. Is it over? See, one diagram I'll give. Java application and database. First we are result set updated, later database updated. Suppose here table, student table. Assume 3 records are there. Three columns are there. Suppose roll number 1 on name, marks 2. Now, from Java application, I'll send one SQL query. Select a star from student. I'll send. Then all records comes. SQL request. SQL response. You will get a result set. It is not table, it is result set. It is not a table, it is result set. Okay, it is result set. It is referred by RS. Reference, result set reference. Now I want to update roll number 2, marks 35 place. I want to make it 40. I want to update. First, whenever result set is generated, where is the result set pointer? Before first record. How to move the cursor to second record? Which method you have to call? rs dot absolute 2. rs dot absolute 2. So rs dot absolute 2 we have to write. Then it comes to second record. After that, this column number 1. This column number 1. This column number 2. This column number 3. If you want to update this one, which update method you have to call? rs dot update int. Update int, no? Marks which type? Integer type. Update int. Column number 3. Latest marks 40. Then what will be happen is this will become 40. This will become 40. Okay. So with this line, this is updated. After that, this is you have to update here. Now, if you call update row here, If we call update row, then updated here. rs dot update row. If I call, then it is updated here. It will become 40. With this, only this part updated, result set. If you call update row, then only database updated. Okay. So here, without update query, we are updating. So first what will happen? We have to move the cursor to which record you want to update. Move the cursor to that particular place. Which column you are updating, that is modified with this update methods. At last update row, then updated. Now, if you want to update roll number, name, marks also, all also you can update. Then this is 3 times you have to call update int, update string, update int. Okay, now write this one. Their update row is there. One minute. If I click on chart box, that is vanished. So which record you want to update? First move the cursor to that particular place. Which column you want to update? That is your update. At last you have to call update row. Then only result database updated. Otherwise only temporarily result set updated. Just here update row is there. rs dot update row. If you don't write update row, result set updated, but database not updated. Here just rs dot update row is there. Is it over? See the program. Suppose here same program you observe little bit change up to here same. Up to here same. Okay. After getting result set, just now you have seen diagram. Now, first we have to move the cursor to second record. That means here in database, second record 81 is there. Okay, I will make it 40 or 90 something. Now we have to move the cursor to second record. We have to move the cursor to second record. What we have tried? RS dot absolute 2. It comes to second record. After this, RS dot update int column number 3 marks suppose 90 I'll write. Okay, in that example diagram 40 given, here 90 is 90 I'll write. Next rs dot update row, then system dot out dot println one record updated successfully. Now what will be happen is here this program will compile successfully, but it will not execute. What is exception comes? You observe. Right click, run on Java application. Say exception comes. Invalid operation on forward only result set. Because here we have to pass 2 parameters. Result set dot type scroll sensitive. Next, result set dot conquer updatable. Okay. Now, but still error comes. You observe. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. See, one more exception comes. See, invalid operation for read-only result set. What is the problem is here? Suppose here this is totally as a one unit. We are updating only this part. This is we have to divide like a 3 parts. Then we can update. Otherwise, not possible. That is, according to JDBC specification, what we have to do is we should not write star here. Here we have to make it separate. Even you are retrieving all also, you have to write like this only if you want to update. Now these 3 separate units divided, then marks only updated. See, now it will work. See, one record updated successfully. You can check. Here, roll number 2, 81 is there. Now what I given? What I given?
90.
90. See, roll number 2, 90 I given. Now, same, I'll execute. You observe. Roll number 2, 90. Updated now? Now. This is updated now. Okay. Now, not this one. This one, updated. This program. Example. Note down. Okay, something update demo. So if you pass these two parameters, then only these methods will work. Otherwise, error comes. Compiled successfully, execution time error comes. And also you must write separate column names. If you write at a time, star, error comes. According to specification, you have to write separate. Specification, rules and guidelines. Okay. See, here result set generated. Which result set? Sensitive result set. After that, cursor moved to second record. Third column updated. This is result set updated. Whenever you call this one, database updated. Otherwise, only Java side updated. Oracle side not updated. That's what compulsory you have to call this one. Okay. So after getting result set, cursor moved to second record. In that second record, third column updated, database updated. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow.